Oh my God. Oh my gods.
For all the gods of the Olympus.
It's the best. It's so beautifully creamy. It's got everything just perfect. The entire balance is just right. I can't stop. Welcome to a new Pasta Queen show. Today I am making a Southern Italian specialty creamy peas pasta. This went viral everywhere, and today I'm bringing it to you here on YouTube to show you exactly how it's done. Ingredients. All you're gonna need for this recipe is half a white onion, pecorino parmigiano cheese, peas, extra virgin olive oil, 1 egg, pepper, and a little pasta. I'm using to bake. They're tiny little pastina. What better pan to use than pinuccia, my 4-quart chef pan. Now this is solid copper stainless steel line. You can ask any good chef, cooking with copper is not only an ancient ancestral practice, but it's also the best way to distribute heat. Copper quickly heats up evenly across the pan, and also once you switch it off, it quickly cools off, retaining the heat perfectly across it, so it cooks quickly and beautifully and stably. The handle is solid brown, silver plated, hammered copper outside. It's got a handle here and a handle here, so it's very easy to handle it. She's nice and deep. You want something deeper when you're doing sauces that takes a little bit longer to cook, as opposed to the shallow one that cooks faster. We're starting on a low to medium flame. We're adding our chopped up onions and 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now that your onions are translucent, it's the time to add your tiny little cute peas. In they go. Pinch of salt and a scrunch of freshly ground black peppercorns. Yes! The peculiarity of this creamy peas pasta is that you don't really cook the pasta in hot boiling water. You cook it straight into the peas cream. However, you're gonna need a little bit of hot water to the side to grab and help the peas cook along. Okay, now we're grabbing almost all of them, 3/4 worth of the peas with the onions and the juices, and we're putting them in a blender. We're going to blend them and strain them and then put them back into the saucepan. Now we're dumping it in the sifter, making sure all the skins don't make it through the final cream. Pasta Queen spatula, of course. By the way, you can get this at Williams Sonoma. It's the Pasta Queen spatula. How cool is that? Look how cute. See, all the peels that you can see, they stay within the sifter. You see the smoothness of this cream? Now this will go straight back into the saucepan. See, now that you have this base, creamy and also chunky whole peas, now is the time you add your pasta directly into the sauce, and you let that pasta, you force that pasta to hydrate into the sauce so that it absorbs all the juices, all the creaminess of the peas, the onions, the extra virgin olive oil, the salt and the pepper. We're just gonna let it hydrate all into that. You see, we're adding more and more water in layers. It's a game of balance, just like you are. While your pasta is literally on the verge of becoming al dente, which means to the teeth, to the crunch, it gives you a little back crunch. It's easier to digest. Do it always that way. Don't look back ever. I'm gonna grab a handful of pecorino, a handful of parmigiano, toss it in this bowl and mix it with the egg. We are about to arrive at destination. At this point, we add the mixture of pecorino, parmigiano and egg, 1 egg. Now we switch it off. You just mix it. Tiny bit of water, just because you can already smell the pecorino, the parmigiano. They're just doing their job. They're making it just perfect. Once it's plated just like this, you add a drizzle of fresh, raw, extra virgin olive oil, and now a scrunch of freshly ground black peppercorns. Oh my God. It's the best. It's so beautifully creamy. It's got everything just perfect. The entire balance is just right. I can't stop. Give me a second to recompose myself. It's been a pleasure. Don't forget to subscribe. Press the notification button so that you get notified instantly the moment any of the recipes come out. And remember, stay gorgeous. See you next time.